Good morning, students. In the last class, we discussed income and other criteria. So, the income is very important for individual. So, as well as along with income, there are some other things are also there, like respect from others, equal treatment, so freedom, security. Likewise, these are also important. Already we discussed. So, in the same way, for every nation, for development of the nation, income plays a very crucial role. So along with that income, there are some other attributes are also there. So those attributes are like infant mortality rate, so literacy rate, so medical facilities, infrastructure, net attendance rate. Likewise, all these are also important. So today we are going to discuss public distribution, public facilities. Today we are going to discuss public facilities. So before that, so for example, you see a individual, so he has more income. So by using that income, so he may purchase lot of things in the market. At the same time, so he may not be purchase uh, things which are we cannot buy with money. So that means the money itself, it cannot buy all the things. So for example, you see, so today worldwide facing corona problem. So corona is a dangerous virus. It is spreading all over the world. So due to that, several people are dying in every day. So irrespective of their economic status. So that means even though we have a lot of money, we are not free from the coronavirus. So if we spend more money, we are unable to free from the coronavirus. For example, in cities, we can observe there are more pollution in the cities. If you are a millionaire, so in that city you are not free from the pollution. So you can, so even spend by money, you cannot breathe free of air, so without pollution. So unless you away from the far of the place and settle other places. So in the cities, even the poor, even the rich, even the middle class, everyone has to breathe that polluted air only. So even though you have a lot of money, you are unable to free from the pollution, you are unable to free from the coronavirus. Likewise, so by observing all this, so what we can understand is the money itself cannot buy all the things. So that, so the for the development of the nation, income is important. Along with that, some other important attributes are there, important things are there. So here, for example, you see one of the apartment is there. In that apartment, every individual cannot be arranged security guard. If every individual plot owner can arrange himself a separate security guard, so he has to give full of salary to that security guard. So if the total in that apartment, the total owners of those apartment, so they collectively they arrange the security guard, so that they can give only single salary by collecting all the owners of the apartments. So in this way, there the expenditure is very less. So in the streets, in the colonies, so likewise in societies, by collectively we can arrange some of the facilities with low cost, with cheap rate. So like for example, in our colony, by gathering all the colony people, we can arrange some of facilities like garden, development of the roads. Likewise, so these are useful for all by spending very little bit of money. So for example, you go another, so in a village, even though you are a rich family, So if the government has established in that school, government established a school in that village, so your children is going to that school along with other children of that village. If in the village no one is interesting to go to the school, so except your son, so by going only your son, that school may not be run. So but so that the government may shift that school from your village to other villages. So even though you are a rich person, your son is unable to go to the school unless other students are coming to the school. So this is the best example. So we are living in the society. So we are always accompanied with the neighbor people. So in the we accompany with our society. Otherwise, even though we are rich, we are unable to get all facilities. So here the public facilities means uh, like gardens, parks, public parks, development of the roads. So these all are important. Along with that, another important thing is there public distribution system. So in that public distribution system, so the government providing the basic things to the poor people through public distribution system at low cost. Those who are below poverty line, those who are the poor people, so they are getting basic things like rice, dal, sugar, kerosene, like etc. at low cost from that public distribution system. So here we have to observe in which state the public distribution system is functioning perfectly. So there we can observe the public health system, the public immune system is good as compared to the other states where the public distribution system is not perfectly running. So already we observed the Himachal Pradesh, Haryana and Bihar. So even though Haryana income is more, but in Himachal Pradesh there are lot of development take place, like less infant mortality rate, so high literacy rate, so high net attendance rate. Because even though less income of the Himachal Pradesh, the Himachal Pradesh government concentrate to develop the infrastructure like human resources, establishment of the number of schools, arranging the teachers in the schools, arranging the lot of facilities to the children, so encouraging the even the girls to come to the school. Likewise, by following all these steps, the Himachal Pradesh uh, income, average income even less than the Haryana, but in development activities Himachal Pradesh stands first place before the Haryana. So here the human development index is also important. So while we are calculating human development index, so always we are so we are adding to this human development index, so every time to time. So according to the human development report, so they says, so what is happening to the citizens of a country is important. So every day what is happening to the citizen is very important in the nation. So the people in the nation, the people, so their health and their well-being are most important for the development of a country. For example, you see in this corona situation, even the per capita income is more of the Italy. So due to very less doctors, very less medical facilities in Italy, the death rate is more in Italy due to spreading the coronavirus. Already it is a live example we observed. So the income is not only enough for development. Along with that income, some other important attributes like developments, like development of the education, development of the medical facilities, development of the infrastructure, these are also important. So these all are should be arranged by the government, so not by the individual. So that is called the public facilities. Thank you.